What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Mahogany back with another video, and today disclaimer, you know, my nail broke, need to take them off, don't mind that. My Macbook is here, so I'm gonna set y'all up like these so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. So let's just open it. Alright. Y'all just gonna see this. Okay, there we go. It's here. Oh shoot, you're here. Got gummies. But no, for real. So, you know, it's really heavy. Like when she gave it to me, I was expecting it to be light, but it's actually really, really heavy. So let's just, you know, go ahead and just open her. It's a her, by the way, y'all. It's a her. It's a her. It's a her, by the way, y'all. Already took the plastic off. So let's just go ahead and open her. Let's just go ahead and open her. Dang. Okay, so I've been doing research, and this is the part that's like hard to open. You don't want to like slam it, right? So, and I got these nails on, I'm struggling. Oh, so if you do it slow, it smells so fresh. So this is what it looks like. Smooth. You can actually feel this. You know how iPhones you can't feel it. You can actually feel that. So dirty. Okay, I'm gonna put that in my lap. So it comes. Okay, so the box, when you open it, it's like this. It comes with its own charger, thank God. So when you get a new iPhone, you know how it comes with the actual Apple things. That's what it is. You have instructions of the MacBook Air 2020, and I got the 10th edition. I'm probably not gonna use this. Probably not. Probably if I get like a hard clear case for it, I'll probably put it on there, like, you know, like to decorate the case. And then you have the actual charger piece. So knowing Apple, you probably have to charge it. So let's go ahead and see if I have to do that. Other way. Maybe the other way. So I can take this off. Alright. Taking the cover off. So, if y'all knew how happy I was right now, I say happy. So when you first open it, it has this on there. Just turn it on. So when it first turned on, it actually put a language, of course, and my language is English. And then, you know, loads. I am in United States. Now I gotta do the Wi-Fi thing. So I just put the Wi-Fi password in. Thankful for my sister, she knows it by heart. It's hot in here, y'all. Like, I'm sweating. That's how happy I am. So while that's doing that, So for the MacBook, like I said before, I did research, and on the sides of the MacBook, it don't have, like, you know, like the regular charger pieces, like the USB, like the thick ones. It has a small one. So like when you get like the new iPhone, the whole charger is like completely different. So like this, instead of the big USB, both of the sides are like this. So, and that's how it is on the side. So I had to go by myself. Actually, I ordered it from Apple. It's the USB port thing. It's literally like that, but you can actually put your USB inside of it. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about, just so y'all won't be, you know, confused or anything. So this one I'm talking about is the USB-C to USB, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I don't know why it's taking forever to connect to Wi-Fi. Maybe because, you know, it's new, but it's really seriously taking forever. So you open it, that's what it looks like. It's very small. It's smaller than what I imagined it would be, but it's very small and short. My computer account is setting up my iCloud. Hopefully everything, I know it's probably gonna transfer, but hopefully everything don't transfer, because if it do, I'm gonna have to go back and delete some of it, because I don't want everything on the computer. So I got the, let me just go ahead and show y'all. So about this MacBook, I got the MacBook Air. Like I said, it's the 13-inch one. I got it through the school one, like the school discount thing, like for colleges, with college students. It's the gold one. It really looks rose gold to me, but they said it's gold, so it's gold. I also got the free AirPods, but I gave them to my mom because I already have AirPods. And the only thing I had to pay was like $7 something, which is actually really good. So yeah. So now my iCloud is just taking forever to set up. So now I'm doing the fingerprint. So if you didn't know, the fingerprint thing is actually like Touch ID. So when I turn it on and turn it off, so you know, of course you have to do all this all over again.
Oh, gotcha.
So I'll probably customize it. Ignore my nail once again. I'll probably customize it. And show you guys what it looks like when I customize it. I've seen a lot of girls doing it, and I actually think it's actually cute. So I'll probably do the same thing, and just see you guys in the next clip. So that would be the end of this video. I'm going to start researching and look at other videos on how to customize. I know I said I was going to do it, but it's kind of hard. But this is what the outcome turned to find out. It's just me. You know, the only thing I really downloaded was another thing for my Canon camera, which I had to get a USB connector for my camera, and then an actual video app to edit. So this is what it looks like when you click on the launch pad. I really don't have anything on here yet. I have some of my photos, but not all. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next banger. We are out.